Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Kobe Bryant dead in Calabasas helicopter crash along with daughter. 7 others. Basketball legend Kobe Bryant has died after a helicopter crash in Calabasas killed all 9 people on board, a representative from the Lakers confirmed to Eyewitness News. A spokesman for the National Transportation Safety Board told ABC News that a helicopter crashed on a hillside in the town of Calabasas around 10 a.m. The circumstances surrounding the crash are unknown, and an investigation is ongoing. Initial reports indicated that 5 people were on board and killed in the crash, but at an afternoon press conference, Los Angeles County Sheriff said the passenger manifest indicated there were 9 people on board, a pilot and 8 passengers, and officials now believe that all 9 people died in the crash. Bryant's daughter, 13 years old, was also reportedly one of the passengers on board the aircraft, according to an ESPN source. They were on their way to a travel basketball game, along with another player and parent. The other victims have not been identified. The 41-year-old Bryant spent his entire professional basketball career with the Los Angeles Lakers and won 5 championships. Bryant was drafted to the NBA directly out of Lower Marona High School in Ardmore, Pennsylvania, a suburb of Philadelphia. He was the 13th choice in the first round of the 1996 NBA draft. Dozens of people began to gather on an intersection near the site of the crash in Calabasas Sunday afternoon, as well as at the Staples Center in downtown Los Angeles, where Bryant played for years. Bryant was the 4th highest scorer in NBA history, with 33 to 643 points, recently removed from 3rd by LeBron James. Bryant retired in 2016, finishing 2 decades with the Lakers as a proficient scorer with a sublime all-around game and a restless competitive ethic. Los Angeles mayor issued a written statement in response to the news, calling Bryant a giant who inspired, amazed, and thrilled people everywhere. He will live forever in the heart of Los Angeles and will be remembered through the ages as one of our greatest heroes. And this is still developing breaking news story. We will keep you updated as More information comes in our newsroom. That does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening, and I'll see you back here tomorrow with another news report. Good night and bye, everyone.